Let's face it, most marketing companies run their marketing like this: copy and pasting the same emails, leads falling through the cracks, slow follow-up, reps doing admin work instead of selling, and no idea which leads are ready to buy. So what is marketing automation? Marketing automation is a system that handles your repetitive tasks, your follow-up, your segmentation, your lead qualification, and your customer nurturing automatically and intelligently so that you can scale without burning out. Marketing automation isn't just one tool, it's a system built on 7 pillars. We're going to jump into all of those 7 pillars right now. Number 1, lead capture. Forms, landing pages, chatbots. If you're using these, marketing automation can integrate with these tools to capture your lead data and pull it into a central hub. Where number 2, that lead will be organized based on their behavior, industry, or interest in a segmentation or a lead enrichment campaign. Third is going to be lead scoring. This is how your system knows who is hot, who is warm, and who needs nurturing, simply by adding scores on all of the lead's behavior, whether it's a link click, a form fill out, a page visited. All of these things will be scored so that once that lead has enough points on their record, we know that they are hot and ready to purchase. Number 4 is going to be automated follow-up. Immediate email and text and welcome messages without needing a human to do it. This will save your sales team a lot of headache when a new lead comes in, because that automatic message back will already come through a text message or an email. 5th is going to be multi-channel automation. Most marketing automation platforms combine all of your multi-channel automation into one place. So your emails, your text messages, your paid ads, retargeting campaigns are all connected in one central hub. Number 6, sales routing. Qualified leads instantly reach the right sales rep based on the product or based on that lead's behavior. This makes sure that not the wrong rep is getting the wrong lead, and it moves things along much smoothly. And lastly, number 7, reporting and optimization. Marketing automation tools like Marketo, Salesforce, HubSpot all have dashboards that show you exactly where revenue is coming from and where you need to scale. Now, if you want to find out how to build this workflow inside of a CRM like Marketo, there is a tutorial video at the link here that will be me guiding you through every step on how to build this out. If you do not have time for that tutorial, not a problem. At the bottom of this video, in the description, we do have a downloadable link that you can get the white paper on all the steps needed to build a successful workflow that will save your company 20 hours per week. Now, a process like this inside of Marketo is not a long process to build this workflow, as long as your assets are created, such as your emails, forms, and possibly some landing pages. If those are put together already, a nurture like this takes less than an hour to itemize together. But this is basically a simple flow that saves you hours and hours, 20 hours a week at least. Let's say you did not have this. If your system is not using any automation, someone has to send that email manually. Someone has to manually go to a salesperson and say, hey, someone filled out a form. And that salesperson has to manually try to find information on that person, not knowing where they came from, what form they filled out. Not to mention, if the salesperson's busy, there's no confirmation email going to that person unless someone actually is just staring at the salesperson and understands that they need to answer this. So if that's the case, then obviously you've missed out a lot in this situation without an automation. So hope that helps you guys. It's a simple automation, but it does a lot of work. So in conclusion, when automation works, your business follows up instantly, never forgets a lead, nurtures automatically, routes correctly, closes faster, and scales without added headache. This is the power of marketing automation. If you want help building a system like this, or if you want to download the blueprint I just talked about, that download is in the link below. We have a visual as well as a checkoff PDF. So thank you guys for watching. Let's get your business running on systems and not stress, and we will talk to you later.